Hey guys, what's up? I'm Dominique. On this channel, we share tips and tools that can help inspire, motivate, and teach you to manifest your best life and more. So today I want to talk vision boards. I've never created one, KWAMAE has never created one, so we are going to be learning this together. This is our first time, and you will see me doing my vision board first, and then KWAMAE and I doing ours together. So you can do this as a group or a team or individually. It's kind of up to you, so the ball's in your court on that. So let's talk about what a vision board is. So a vision board is a board that is physical, filled of inspiration of things that you want to attract into your life. So this can be either images, quotes, anything you want to add in here that gives you inspiration and reminders throughout the day. So you can either print your images or get magazines like you'll see us using in this video. So what is the importance of making a vision board? I've got a list of things that inspired me to make one myself. First off, it makes you think about what you really want in life. Second, it helps you tap into that creative side you have, especially if you're feeling stuck and you are waking up, going to work, and then sleep, repeat the next day. This is perfect to get out of that same routine and start getting some inspiration and motivation on what is it that I want in my life. The third one is this is a visual that you'll see every day. So you will constantly be reminded of, oh yeah, I want that orange Lamborghini or whatever it is. You will see that every day. So it's going to help you stay focused on that goal and that path. So you have a clearer picture of what it is you want. So the fourth one I have is vision boards can help you get emotionally connected to the goals you want in your life. And with having this emotional connection, you will better recognize opportunities that are presented to you throughout your day and your journey in life. Your journey. The fifth one. This is supposed to be fun, creative. It doesn't have to be organized, beautiful, perfect. This is just a time to just throw your inspiration and goals on a physical board and just get some inspiration and attract those awesome things into your life. What you'll need are magazines or pictures that are printed, scissors, pens, tape, and your board. What we used are actual memory boxes. So we got our vision board at Joann's. You can find these types of vision boards at Hobby Lobby, Walmart probably, or Amazon. Amazon's probably, the best place to find it for an affordable price. I think ours was 50% off, so we got it for about $6, $7, I believe. So you'll see a clip of us just looking through the magazines, finding something that gives us inspiration and value. So with these magazines that I found, it was kind of challenging because we didn't find specific things. It challenged us to get more creative in these pictures. So each picture represents something more than what is on the actual picture. For example, mine's just a purple cloud with an ocean, and I know for sure that I want to live by a beach, and I know that I want to be in the water and feeling free, and that's what the ocean represents for me. And then also I got a picture of some vegetables because I have started this vegan journey, some of you might know, and I feel like this is perfect for reminding myself to keep at it and stay consistent. So I want to encourage myself to read more, so you see me cutting out a picture of a book because I want to find more time to read books. So before you pin anything down, you'll want to make sure you have an idea of where you want things to go. I just know that helped me when pinning it down. It was a lot faster to just tack it all down. It makes it more fun to find your next picture because it gives you more ideas. So if you know where something is, like, ooh, okay, I have somebody meditating under a tree, well, maybe I can add some clouds above there. It helps you get really creative with these. This one, we put tons of words that represent things that we see ourselves having in the future or acting as. So we put strength, love, positivity. You'll see a clip of us showing our finished product at the end. All right, so this is the finished product of me and KWAMAE's vision board. And my vision board. We have a lot of different images, but this was really fun for he and I to just kind of brainstorm together and see what we both want to manifest into our lives. And putting those together really paints that picture of what we will get to, and it makes it pretty exciting. Yay! All right, we have finished our vision board. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that and it helps you get started on making your vision board.
Yeah, that was actually a lot of fun. It's cool to see all this stuff laid out, and I know that when I look at this stuff, it's definitely gonna motivate me to get stuff done, especially like seeing, you know, the workout stuff, the food stuff, the money stuff, you know, it's like, gotta get on it.
Yeah, and I think we're gonna hang this picture behind us on this wall, so we'll see it every day. This is our living room, so
yeah, great way of positive reinforcement for sure.
All right, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.